Rahim Khan from Free IT Education. If you are interested to learn object-oriented programming or coding in Python, so watch this video till the end. Okay, so let's start. So you can go on to python.org/shell and you can start coding in Python. So on the command prompt, what we have written, class, my class, colon, x is equal to 5. What does that mean? So this class is a keyword and this is the name of your class that you want to create in Python, followed by a colon. Okay, that's how you create a class. And then you initialize a variable x is equal to 5. So you got a class which is named my class, and it has got a variable x, and you have assigned a value 5. How can you create an instance of this class? So you simply say it an object of a class, which is my object is equal to my class this. Okay, and now you can easily call these variable in the class by with the help of the object followed by the dot sign. So my object dot x, it will give you 5. Okay. Okay, the next thing what we're going to learn is we're going to create a bit complicated class. So we said that class, my class, and in this time we create this thing which is a kind of a method, but you could call it as an constructor or object instantiation to create an object of that class. So what we're saying that, so this is a keyword, you need to put that in. So it is def underscore underscore init underscore underscore, and then you followed by self. This is a keyword you need to put in, and then two variable name and age. What we're saying, so when this object my class is instantiated, so it will get the value of name and age, and then you assign them into these two variable name and age. Okay, so now here is a very good example. So we say that my class, so we just want to call it, so let's say this is John and 25, and creating an object my object 1. So this is interesting. So you already assigned a static value, but if you want to make it dynamic, so we're going to learn into the next example where you can pass on the inputs into your object instance of my class 1. So in this case, it will print, if we say my object dot name, and it will be this one because is not taking care of this. So the next example which we're going to do, so what we're seeing here, uh, let's minimize that. So little bit here. Okay, so class my class 1. So here is I said this is a constructor, as in object oriented programming, or you could call it as a special method for the class. So you saying that name comma age, and then you said you assign this value to this variable and this variable of that class. Now we're creating an object of my class 1 passing the value of this value Rahim and an age of 30, and the object has been created my object 2. So my name is, so this is a special thing you guys might know about that. So my name is, what we're going to put, we're going to put the object and this variable and then the age of this one. How are we going to do that? So we created a string, my name is this and my age is this. So this is a text. And then in the format function, which you can learn, or you already know that, how does that work? So you said this is a string, you format it. So you calling two variables or of the my class 1 by calling with the help of object my object 2. So my object 2 dot name, my object 2 dot class, when you will print it, so it will get the name and age from that class variables and it will print it. And as you can say that my name is Rahim and my age is 30. Let's say if I create a new my object 4 is equal to my class to my class 1, and you type it John and you call it 50 years. And then you say that you want to print it, print text format, and you pass it my object 4.name and my object 4.age. So this time it will get the values of the new values of my object 4. So if you do that, so you can see that my name is John and my age is 50. So this is just a beginning of object-oriented programming in Python. If you are interested to learn more about that, so then subscribe to Free IT Education and stay tuned for future lecture. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.